Anywhere I go in the Eastern Caribbean, I listen to one radio station, ZJB Radio, straight out of Montserrat. Seeing culture done talking.
Do you remember? Do you remember? Remember? In our life, in our life. Do you remember? Do you remember? Remember? Do you remember? Do you remember? Remember? In our life, in our life, in our life. I can't even remember. In our life, the first time I heard some sweet calypso, steel pan, and string band music on the radio. There used to be this other station, but only one. ZJB, ZJB, ZJB. ZJB and Festival are inseparable, wrapped, locked and sealed in my memory. Yes, Festival. Do you remember? Do you remember back in the day when you weren't old enough to come in a tongue on your own? I mean, them days that you could lime in your yard with one transistor, far from the action, far, but you still catch the vibe. The Queen Show, the Kaiso Show, Boxing Day. Do you remember? Do you remember? Remember? In our life, in our life. Do you remember? Do you remember? Remember? All gotta come true. Live, 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 live. You know, like you're right there. Festival, festival, festival. Masquerade boy. What can I say? Free the whip. Love.
It is now 5 minutes. 5 minutes running away from 2 o'clock. Good afternoon, Montserrat. Good afternoon. Good afternoon to the entire Eastern Caribbean. How you doing?
Look on you. Snooker in your hand.
Let me say good afternoon to all the folks who are listening online.
Hectic sound and
folks who are listening on the World Wide Web at www.zjb.gov.ms.
Festival, 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 festival.
All the folks in Canada. Festival. All the folks in the United States of America. All the folks who are listening in the United Kingdom.
Smells. The voices of...
Let's go closer to the Caribbean. The folks who are listening all across the Caribbean. Antigua, Nevis and St. Kitts.
And ice cream.
Folks in neighboring Barbuda, Guadeloupe, Martinique, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, St. Lucia, Dominica.
Do you remember? Do you remember?
Folks in the British and US Virgin Islands.
In our life, in our life.
Welcome to show number 7. It's show number 7 to the Paran Sounds Festival Show. Yeah, my name is Daddy Al Festival G, and I'll be here until, well, I'll take a long one this afternoon.
And, you know,
but the Paran Sounds continues until just about 3 o'clock this afternoon.
Sneaking at the park.
Then we'll get into the madness, the afternoon madness. Believe you me, it's gonna be crazy. So welcome to the show. Jamaica well in the background.
Titans. Reality.
Just want to let you know that Paran Sound Festival Hour is coming to you with the auspices of Lime, Montserrat, MongoBeats.com, Moxie Marketing,
Road Jam Sweep,
and ZJB Radio.
Lord God, Road Jam Sweep.
Folks, just want to let you know as well that we are right now online at ParanSounds.com. And also you can find us on Facebook, you know, Facebook.com Paran Sounds.
Waiting, non-stop.
Right now we are streaming live as well on Backyard Radio.
Hammer.
BackyardSounds.com in Texas. We're right around the Caribbean, folks. Yeah, we are.
You know, some weeknight perhaps. Carefree, living dangerously. Bacchanal Panjaj Street. Socialism jam.
So folks, right now we got 2 new releases this afternoon.
Somebody else is.
On the program today, we got 2 brand new releases.
Pray. Shimano in a tongue.
And then we're going to be giving you some of your old favorites that have already been released.
Well, sir, it's that time of year again. I've been away for a while. A good while now. But tell them may I come back home.
Okay, check your time, folks. Check your time. It's 9 minutes after 2 o'clock. 9 minutes running away from 2.
Over the rock.
And of course, as I said to you, we got some brand new releases this afternoon. First, let me pull the music down and tell you about this one. We got a brand new release. The name of the artist is Dilgin. Dilgin, that's the name of the artist. And the song you're about to hear, it's a soca song called Believe in Love. And it will be featured on the Soca Kiss album, the upcoming Soca Kiss album. And the song is written by Dilgin and it's produced by the maestro himself. Yeah, it's produced by Prince. Take a listen on this one.
It's just the way she whine. It's just the way she whine. Blow my mind. The way you shake that body make me fantasizing. The way you whine, girl, it's so amazing. The fire is burning, temperature rising. My body is calling, a sexual healing. I just want to touch you, baby. Just one touch. I just want to hold you, baby. Yeah. Some say she a dance to the punta. Some say she a rock to the soca. Some say she a dance calypso. But now one girl hot so. The way you whining, it's so breathtaking. My body is aching. Girl, I'm calling. I just want to touch you, baby. Just one touch. I just want to hold you, baby. Close to me. Come on, baby. If you believe in love, come sing this song with me. Say, believe in love. Come sing this song with me. I just want to touch you, baby. Just one touch. I just want to hold you, baby. Close to me. The way you shake your body make me fantasizing. The way you whine, girl, it's so amazing. The fire is burning, temperature rising. My body is calling, sexual healing. I just want to touch you, baby. Just one touch. I just want to hold you, baby. Some say she a dance to the punta. Some say she a dance calypso. Some say she a rock to the soca. But can't one girl hot so. The way you whining, it's so breathtaking. My body is aching. Girl, I'm calling. I just want to touch you, baby. Just one touch. I just want to hold you, baby. Close to me. Come on, baby. If you believe in love, come sing this song with me. Hey, believe in love, come sing this song with me. Say, I just want to touch you, baby. Just one touch. I just want to hold you, baby.
Hey, tell you what, his name is Dilgin. And by the way, folks, he's a Jamaican by birth. Yeah, he's a Jamaican reggae artist. Now in the United States of America.
I just want to
And he's sounding awesome. I just want to touch you, man.
I just want to hold you, baby. Close to me.
And of course, they normally say when it's nice what you do. When it's nice what you do, you're gonna jam it again.
It's just the way she whine.
And of course, you can find this one on the Soca Kiss. The Soca Kiss album. Yeah, man, I'm telling you, this is a big track.
Blow my mind. The way you shake that body make me fantasizing. The way you whine, girl, it's so amazing. The fire is burning, temperature rising. My body is calling, a sexual healing. I just want to touch you, baby. Just one touch. I just want to hold you, baby. Yeah. Some say she a dance to the punta. Some say she a rock to the soca. Some say she a dance calypso. But can't one girl hot so. The way you whining, it's so dance to the punta. Some say she a dance calypso. Some say she a rock to the soca. But can't one girl act so. The way you winding, it's so breathtaking. My body is aching. Girl, I'm coming. I just want to touch you, baby. Just want to touch you.
This one is gonna go a long, long way. As the saying goes, when it's nice, you play twice. When it's sweet, you gotta repeat. His name is Dilgin, a Jamaican artist, and he can be featured on the Soca Kiss album coming up on the 19th. Hey, tell you what, we got 2 questions for you. We're feeling a bit generous, you know. We're gonna give you something. We're gonna give you something on the Paran Sounds Hour today.
I just want to hold you, baby, close to me. Touch you, baby. Just one touch. I just want to hold you, baby. Close to me. I just want to touch you, baby.
I'm telling you, man, every day, every Saturday it gets better. Every Saturday it gets better, man. Paran Sounds bringing out awesome music. The name of that one is I Just Want to, the name of that one is Believe in Love. It's by Jiljan. And as I said before, the album is coming out on the 19th of this month. What's today's date? It's coming out on the 19th. And, today's actually the 17th. So we got 2 more days. We're talking about Monday. And, that song is on it. So you can, pick up your Soca Kiss album. Of course, you can go to paransounds.com and you can download that album because it's there for you. We're right in the middle of the mix, in the middle of the Paran Sounds Festival Hour. This one is, a brand new one as well. It's from the man called Wada. Hey, this one can be featured on the Tasty Love album coming out pretty soon.
I hear it as who got them go. Like it want to come drive me loco. So I going up in the disco to find me a partner pronto. So if you have your woman tonight, don't worry, everything is alright. There is a lot of girls around, so this is my selection. I'm taking her one day.
It's the sounds of the water from his Tasty Love album for 2012. You can pick up this one at ParanSounds.com. They're now on sale for $7.99. 22 minutes running away from 2 o'clock.
I am Justin Hero Castle, and you're listening to ZJB, your festival radio. Stay tuned.
This is my tribute.
You're locked inside of the Paran Sounds Festival Hour. He's back in town. He's back in town. He's back in town. Yeah, we had a little bit of a good time last night. His name is David Jubri, the mighty Trixie, doing a remake of this one.
A rising star, gone too soon. This is my old Turamba, a colleague and a spy. To many the name of Carter, he was a young upcoming star. Too fast to measure, but the last a tragic
time I listen to this track. Brings back some memories, some good memories. Eugene Irish, God bless his soul. The Mighty Trixie on the Paran Sound Festival Hour. Sounding good. Check your time, it's 27 minutes running away from 2. You know what, earlier I was telling you that I'm feeling a bit generous today, and of course the folks at the Paran Sounds headquarters, they're also feeling a bit generous, and guess what, you know, I just had a conversation with Jamaica a while ago, and you know what we decided to do? We decided to, as I said, be a bit generous to you, and you've been listening week after week, and we've decided now to give you something. The album will be coming out on the 20th. It's not the 19th, it's the 20th. That's this coming Tuesday, and we would like to give you a copy. And tell you what we're going to do. We've got two questions. We need some answers. And what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to ask you a question, and you can call me, give me the correct answer, and you can get yourself a copy. You can get yourself a copy by two ways. We can give you the hard copy, or we can also give you the downloaded copy. So we give you a digital copy, or we can give you the hard copy. It's your choice. Okay? The question is, I want you to name the names of all the artists that will be featured on the the Calypso Explosion album. The question again, name all the artists featured on the upcoming Calypso Explosion album. And I want you to also tell me 2 songs that are on the album. Okay? So the question is simple. It's a 2-part question. Name all the artists on the Calypso Explosion album, the ones that's coming out on Tuesday. And also, you can give me 2 of the songs. Okay? That's all you need to do, and you can get yourself something. Here is the lovely lady. Her name is Maxine. And she's paging Emancipation.
Equal rights and justice for all. Since the abolishment of slavery. Equal rights and justice for all. At least that's the way it was supposed to be. They told us sky is the limit. It's yours if you can reach it. No matter how hard you try, we still can't touch the sky. So tonight I'm paging emancipation in the name of my fellow men, my brothers and sisters. I need a helping hand. Tonight there is work to be done. Paging emancipation.
This one is written by Jamaica World.
Lock the chains to freedom.
It is produced by Prince.
Paging emancipation.
And it's featured on the Paran Sounds Calypso Explosion.
Toast to freedom.
Hey, call me now. There's a question out. You can win yourself an album. I want to know all the artists featured on the Calypso Explosion album and name me 2 of the songs. You can win yourself a real hard copy.
There are some of us of fortune and free, to share hard work and dedication, manage to advance a decent step or 2, using a set of gifted game plans, working from 9 to 5, sacrificing to survive, living from hand to mouth, we just barely making out. So
And right now we're going to take it down low because it seems as if we got someone on the line. We say good afternoon. Hello?
Hello?
Hi, you're calling for the contest?
Yes, I am.
Okay, go right ahead. You know what the question is?
Yes.
Yeah, go right ahead.
Okay, I'm going to give it a try. Yeah,
that's the only thing you can do, girl. That's the only thing you can do. Give it your best shot.
Yeah, I have the Maxwell.
You got what?
The Maxwell. Yes.
Okay,
You have Maxine. Storm. You also have Daddy Alfie. Darkman. And the two songs are I will give you Maxine, Staging Emancipation, and Go Down Low, Go Down There.
Darling, you gotta try again. Try again, sweetheart. Try again. And you know she was going so good. She was going so good. Yeah, she fell at the wayside. Oh, come on, come on. Once again, the question is, I need you to tell me all the artists featured on the Calypso Explosion album produced by Paran Sounds. And I want you to name me 2 of the songs on the album.
In a world of good and bad, there are moments happy and sad. And I've seen my share of sadness for sure. Things that causes us to reflect on life. And sometimes we barely survive. Well, in truth, I feel I can't take no more. So to him I cry, Father, why, oh why do things have to be this way? Every night I pray, give us strength and courage to overcome this carnage.
And what we're gonna do, we're gonna take it live again. Hello?
Hello?
Hi.
Yes, I'm going back again. The Maxwell, Daddy Alfie, Maxine, Darkman, Storm. The songs where right now Storm is playing, things that make me sad. Maxine, the song, Staging Emancipation.
You're wrong again, my dear. You're wrong again. Yep.
These are the things which makes me sad. When law enforcers become the outlaws, justice filled with too many flaws. These are the things which makes me sad.
Right now you're listening to Storm.
We allow violence on women to become an accepted trend. These are the things which makes me sad.
These are the things.
Oh Lord.
This one is featured on the Calypso Explosion album. Just to give you a helping hand here. You can win yourself a hard copy right now of the upcoming album. The album is coming out on Tuesday. I want you to call me and tell me the names of all the artists featured on the Calypso Explosion album. And I just want you to name me 2 of the songs on the album. Win yourself something, come on.
And those whom we trust in all times of need are the ones sure to make us bleed. Unscripted realities of our times. So to him I cry, Father, why, oh why do things have to be this way? Every night I pray, give us strength and courage to overcome this carnage. The evils and wrongs that just keeps rolling on. Cause every time you think that there'll be better days ahead, things get more dread, really dread. When I hear people calling for change and yet refusing to change their ways. These are the things which makes me sad. The same hypocrites who judge you and die, while every day they're living a lie. These are the things which makes me sad. Grudge and greed feeding out their souls. No amount of prayer can keep it whole. These are the things which make me sad. And what's the use in pointing your finger when you yourself can't do no better? These are the things which make me sad. Oh Lord,
She's sounding awesome. She's sounding good. That's the lady. Storm, the things that make me sad. Right now we're going to take it on the line. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, you're calling for the contest?
Yes, I am.
Yeah, go right ahead. Wish you all the luck.
Thank you. Still.
You're waiting for me. You're waiting for me to respond. Just give me the name. No.
Okay.
Just give me the names, man.
Still. John Maxwell. Black Jaguar. Maxine. Daddy Alvin. Trixie.
I could nearly tell you right now. That you're wrong. So
Okay.
you want to while you're on the line, you want to try again? I'm gonna even be generous to you. While you're on the line, you want to try again? I mean, no advice, you're good too. Me tell you, daddy.
Okay, I prefer the call.
Me tell you, daddy. Why you tell?
Things get more dread, really dread. And constitution which bears no meaning and contradicts our legal standing. These are the things which make me sad.
We're gonna take it live again. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Hi.
With it still, Trixie, Storm, Algie, Water, and Maxine. And the two songs are people.
No. You gotta give me those again. Give me those again.
Still, Trixie, Storm, Algie, Water, and Maxine. And the two songs are People Power and For Too Long.
And you miss one. You miss one of the artists. You're so right, you're coming up so right, but you miss one. You wanna think?
Black Jaguar?
No. Think again. I'm putting you on the spot here, but give me another name. Come on, man. You've been hearing the music on and on and on and every day, and still, come on, man. You really don't know?
I'm thinking.
All right, then, Daddy. Think when you're home. See you.
Stop the crime and the violence. We don't want no killing. We don't want no robbing.
This is the man Water on your radio. Water on your radio.
It's peace
Crime and violence.
and unity. Too much corruption. Too much insanity. We need a solution to control society. Many are dying while others suffering. Yes, from the crime and the violence. Absolute nonsense.
We're going to take it live again. Hello?
Are the ones who
Hello?
victim.
Hello? Oh, nobody there?
Corrupting the whole system. So in the name of the Almighty Father, let us fight to combat.
We're going to take it live. Hello, how you doing?
Let's see. Is it Silk, Trixie, Storm, Algie, Water, Maxine, and Prince?
Darling, you're wrong again. Okay.
Innocent lives are taken every day because of them hooligans, I say.
I would have thought that is a pretty easy question. I would have thought, man. Jamaica well. I would have thought that.
Found guilty, give them that penalty for the crime and violence. Protect the innocent.
We're back on the line. Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, go ahead, run the answers by me.
Yes. Damaquel, Silk, Maxine, Trixie, Storm, Water, Daddy Algie. Two songs, Things That Make Me Sad by Storm, and
This is a problem.
Emancipation by Maxine.
What's the name of the song by Maxine?
Staging Emancipation,
Ah, you're right on the money, man. You're right. Who am I speaking with?
Brenda Daly.
Brenda Daly. All right, Brenda, hold the line. You, congratulations, you're a winner. I must say that, you're a winner. Congratulations. Hold the line. I'll get some contact details from you. And then we'll start cooking with gas, okay? Hold the line, darling. You're a winner.
When I see the mourners cry, hopelessly in vain. is when corrupt minds decide to see. Protect the innocent. Innocent lives are taken every day because of them hooligans, I say. Violence. Tell them innocent. Murderers, when they are found guilty, give them the penalty for the crime and violence. Crime and violence. Protect the innocent from crime and violence.
Easy does it, easy does it. Brenda Daly, congratulations. Yeah, she's over there in Lookout. And she correctly stated that the artists featured on the Calypso Explosion album, I'm gonna tell you who they are. You're listening to one at the moment, his name is Wada. Then you've got Maxine. You've got Storm.
Back in the day,
you've got the mighty Trixie.
You could have left your
King Silk.
And
Jim Ackwell. And of course Daddy Algie. And of course you named the two songs appropriately. Congratulations, Brenda. I've got another question. I'm feeling very, very generous. Very generous.
And go round the same corner.
Easy question. I want you to win something, you know what I mean? I want you to tell me who are the founders and operators of Paran Sounds.
And it's not.
I want you to give me their correct names, okay? The correct names.
It's 10-1. So
you know I know alias.
The Almighty Father, let us fight to conquer. Yes. Tell them I say, the only time we gon' live in peace is when corrupt minds decide to see. Yes. Protect the innocent. Innocent lives are taken every day because of them hooligans, I say. Violence.
I heard that he'll be in town pretty soon. He'll be in town pretty soon. The heavyweight will be in town pretty soon.
Give them the penalty for the crime and violence. Crime and violence. Protect the innocent from crime and violence. Hey, let it I leave it all at the die. Unite.
We're gonna take it live on the radio one more time. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Hi, how you doing?
I'm good.
It's
one for Jubri and Wayne Dyer.
Who you be?
Nadine Sweeney.
Nadine
Sweeney.
Nadine, who is this, nurse?
Yes.
Why you tall? You listen to soca, girl?
Yes.
Okay. You're absolutely correct. It's one for Jubri and Wayne Dyer. They're the founding members of the Paran Sounds production. Well, Nadine, I know all the details, so I'll get them to you. You'll get a copy.
Right.
Which one do you prefer? You want the digital copy or you want the hard copy?
The hard copy.
Okay, and everything is good. By the way, everything is good.
Yes, I'm happy for that.
All right, then.
All right,
take care, my dear. Thanks for listening.
In peace is when corrupt minds decide to see.
His name is Wada. Crime and violence. Nadine Sweeney, nurse. Congratulations, you're a winner today. The founding members behind Paran Sounds Productions, Wayne Dyer, and the maestro himself, Wanford Prince Jubri.
Murderers, when they're found guilty, give them the penalty for the crime and violence. Crime and violence. Stop the crime and the violence. We don't want no killing. We don't want no running. All we want is peace and fruit from crime and violence.
tell them politicians in the Caribbean region to comply, ratify and implement decisions agreed upon. It's about time they conquer with the views of the common man, and from Belize to Guyana come together as one. I would be proud to stand at attention and hear my Caribbean anthem play, or argue around conviction in front of the CCJ. Tell them leaders that we're fed up with the never-ending talk shop, and that the time has come for a united Caribbean. Whoa, 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 sisters and brothers of mine, it's about time. And of course, it's Daddy Algie in your neighborhood. It's 12 minutes before 3. Remember, at 3 o'clock, I'll be taking it right down until 7. We've got a mashup program coming up. They meet every year for a social conference. Oh yes, rubbing shoulders at our expense. And every time it's the same political dance. Oh yes, fancy speeches and no real resolutions. Flip-flopping and mamagism only leads to more delay. Thus hinders any progress towards a means to pave the way. Preservation of power and greed makes it harder for us to succeed. Well, it's about time we tell them politicians in the Caribbean region to comply, ratify and implement the Charter of One Union. It's about time they conquer with the views of the common man, and for the good of this region work together as one. Tell Jamaica and TNT it's time for them to fall in line. Stop acting like big bad bullies, or else we will leave them behind. The referendum of 61 helped cripple the federation, but we're willing to forgive and live and let live. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let us be clear in our minds, it's about time. We can resolve. With some compromise we can all evolve. Learn from our mistakes as we try again. Please don't give up hope, my regional friend. In 1958 some sort of vision came to life. Unfortunately in 62, 4 years later it died. Carry come and the CSME would help to forge a lasting treaty. Well, it's about time we tell them politicians in the Caribbean region to comply with the visions and aspirations of the common man. It's about time the MDC know that one economic space can be regional, not just for the OEC. Yes, Indonesia can coexist with just one administration. Sound economic benefits with over 1,000 islands. Give us one fiscal policy, one treasury, one currency. Our only division should be sea, water and sand. Whoa, 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 whoa. Sisters and brothers of mine, it's about time. A song written and produced by Paran Sounds with some help from the mighty Fisher. Daddy Algie, it's about time. You can find this one as well on the Calypso Explosion album. 8 minutes now before 3 o'clock. He's the reigning Calypso King.
Montserrat is still first choice.
And he's sounding good, he's sounding good. His name is the Mighty Silk.
Our claim to fame, Montserrat only. Carry a good name. Island of beauty, with fascinating scenery. We are known as a safe haven where we can be our doors open 24/7. Peace and tranquility. It's like living in heaven. Outstanding hospitality. First choice. It's first choice. It's your choice. It's my choice. So for a holiday in paradise, make Montserrat your first choice. For investment in the Emerald Isle, make Montserrat your first choice. First choice. It's first choice. It's your choice. Montserrat is still paradise. Oh, the evidence is clear.
It's now 7 minutes before 3.
Year after year.
And tell you what, I've got one of the founding members. Just found him.
Our friendly
One of the founding members from Paran Sounds. He's online. And I said, good afternoon. Good afternoon, Jamaica. What's happening? Hey, what's happening, my brother? What's happening?
I'm good. Justice will prevail.
Justice always will prevail, man. So how you doing, buddy?
I'm good, man. I'm just, relaxing, listening to the show.
Yeah, man, we're just carrying out the Paran Sound duty. We're carrying out the Paran Sound duty. We're spreading the love, spreading the music around.
Right.
I was telling the folks earlier today that, the music, the album is coming out. The Calypso Explosion album is coming out on Tuesday. And one of our big sponsors is sponsored by Lime.
Yeah, we got to thank Lime. Lime is the premier sponsor for Calypso Explosion.
And I asked a question earlier. I was asking how many artists have been featured on the album and the names of the artists. Well, we got two winners. We got Brenda Daly from Lookout. She rightly said all the names: Algie, Maxine, Water, Storm, Trixie, Silk, and yourself. And she gave us the two songs. And then Nurse Nadine Sweeney, she answered correctly. And one for Jubri and Wayne Dyer are the founding members of the Paran Sound movement. So we got two winners there.
Okay.
We got two winners there, two winners. So everything is okay, man?
Yeah, listen, next week we're gonna second song for Storm.
Okay.
Oh, The Letter.
It's called what?
The Letter.
The Letter.
Yeah.
Ah, sounds big, boy. sounds big. The Letter. It's
one of my favorite tunes.
Got somebody to deliver something too?
Got something to say.
Yeah, no problem. I always got something to say. Hey, look, tell you what, man. I played a song by Dilgin a bit earlier today. That's the first one that we released. Sounding good, man. I love it. First time I'm hearing that one.
Yeah, Dilgin is he's a reggae artist.
Sounding really good. I mean, I like the crossover. The crossover. It's sounding good, man. Tell us a little bit about the Soca Kiss album and who will be featured on it.
Soca Kiss is out right now. It's one of the two albums they put out for Christmas.
So this one is the Diligence is gonna be on the Soca Kiss, is it?
Diligence is on Soca Kiss. And also on Soca, guys like Agua.
Yeah, Jaguar and Tamika.
You got Max down. Acquit, I think.
Okay. Your line is a bit bad, so we're gonna leave it there. So look, we're gonna touch base a bit later on.
Okay, man.
And we're gonna spread the love around. Make sure you're listening for the whole afternoon.
Yep, and you know.
No problem, my brother. No problem. So look,
Lime again.
No problem. Lime are the main sponsor for the Calypso Explosion album. All right then, Jamaica. Well, we'll touch base a bit later on then, yeah.
Yep.
All right then, buddy.
Fantasizing the way you whine, girl, it's so amazing. The fire is burning, temperature rising. My body is calling, as sexual healing. I just want to touch you, baby. Just one touch. I just want to hold you, baby. Yeah. Some say she a dance to the punta, some say she a rock to the soca. Some say she a dance calypso, but can't one girl act so. The way you whining, it's so breathtaking. My body is aching, girl, I'm calling. I just want to touch you, baby. Just one touch. I just want to hold you, baby. Close to me.
This is the track I was talking about. This is the track. I love it.
Believe in love. Come sing this song with me. Say, believe in love. Come sing this song with me. Say, I just want to touch you, baby. Just one touch. I just want to hold you, baby. The way you shake your body make me fantasizing. The way you whine, girl, it's so amazing. The fire is burning, temperature rising. My body is calling, sexual healing. I just want to touch you, baby. Just one touch. I just want to hold you, baby. Some say she a dance to the punta, some say she a dance calypso.
Just about to bring the curtains down on the Paran Sound Festival Hour for today, show number 7. Remember, folks, the Paran Sound Festival Hour will be back again next week from 2 until 3. Sponsored by Lime Montserrat, MongoBeats.com, MoxieMarketing.com, ZJB Radio.
This song with me, hey. Believe in love. Come sing this song with me. Say, I just want to touch you, baby.
This one is sweet, man. This one is sweet, man.
You, baby.
Look bad music, boy. I love this one. I love it.
Come on, baby. I just want to touch you, baby. Just one touch. I just want to hold you, baby. Close to me. I just want to touch you, baby.
Do you remember